ohmathgad.
Hello guys, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to be tackling the triangle angle sum theorem. So we're going to be given some values of an angle inside a triangle and we're going to be looking for the value of x. Okay, so guys, in today's video we have a problem, but first we're going to be taking a look at what the triangle angle sum theorem says. So whenever we have any triangle, so let's say triangle ABC, like the one we have here, it says that the angle 1 plus the angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 3 is going to be 180 degrees. So that means that in any given triangle, the three angles are going to have a sum of 180 degrees, right? So let's take a look at today's problem. So let's call this triangle, let's call it triangle ATC, right? TAC, I don't know. So in this case, we would know, because of the triangle angle sum theorem, that the measurement of angle A plus the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle T is going to be equal to 180. And as you can see, we do know the value of A, we do know the value of T, but we do not know the value of C, which is expressed as an X, and we have to find the value of X. So what will we do? So we just substitute the values that we're given. So the measurement of angle A is equal to 74 degrees. The measurement of angle C, we do not know, we just know it is expressed as X. And the measurement of angle T is 66 degrees. And we know that the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So X is equal to 180, and then because this is positive and this is positive, we have to move it to the other side and they're going to subtract, right? So that means that the value of X is equal to 180 minus 66 minus 74, and that would give us around 40 degrees, right? So that is going to be the measurement of X and the measurement of, in this case, C, but you can use any letters that you want. So whenever you express your answers, it's very important that you let whoever is like assigning you the problem, in this case your teacher, that you have used the triangle angle sum theorem, even if it's obvious, right? Now guys, we're going to be tackling another problem, the same logic. So let's call this triangle the triangle STV triangle, right? So we are given that the angle of S is equal to X degrees, so we do not know it, but we're given the other two. So we're going to be using again the triangle angle sum theorem. So the measurement of angle S plus the measurement of angle T plus the measurement of angle V is going to be 180 degrees because of the triangle angle sum theorem. So S is given to us as X. The measurement of angle T is actually 62 degrees, and the measurement of angle V is 83. And as we know, that's going to be equal to 160. So the only thing we need to do is that we have to solve for X. So X is equal to 180 degrees minus 62 degrees minus 83, because we have to move them both to the right side. And then whenever we solve, we get 180 minus 62 minus 83, and that is going to give us a total of 35 degrees because of the triangle angle sum theorem. And there you go, guys. That is pretty much it. So try solving these two problems on your own, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!